Health is wealth, and the riches of a good health are just uncomparable. They cannot be compared to any other riches which an individual owes in his or her life. A state of happiness actually means a state of overall well being of an individual. If you are well, if you are having a good health, then you can be happy forever in your life. This good health actually comprises not only to your physical but at the same time your mental health also. So both physical and mental health are strongly connected or associated with each other. If you are having a poor mental health, definitely the risk of poor chronic physical health will erupt and the vice versa. So, you can say being healthy should be a part of your lifestyles today. Feeling good about yourself and taking care of your health are very necessary for self esteem and self image. So, guys, you must take very good care of your mental and physical health. A recent research has shown a very shocking figure, and that is 87.2% people are strongly possessive and concerned about their physical health only. Why? Because they want to look good, they want to be in shape, they want to have a good personality, their overall appearances, their looks matters a lot. But guys, in doing all this, they just forgot a very important thing, and there is your mental health. Your mental health plays a vital role in your life. A mentally ill individual, that is, if he is suffering from anxiety and depression, will affect his ability to participate in the health promoting behaviors, and that will obviously result in a flop show. That is, neither you can have a good physical health nor you will have a good mental health, and the overall result of this will be you will be unhealthy and unhappy forever in your life. So it is a time, do take care of it. A very first question which arises in our minds is that what is mental health actually? Look, mental health is a very positive concept. It is related to the social, psychological, and emotional well being of an individual and the communities at the same time. So, we must realize its importance and must keep ourselves well aware of the people around us who are having a bad mental health. Because the people around you who are having a bad mental health will not is not just their problem, it is also your problem as a community. So you must keep a public knowledge. Okay, now if you are aware of all this, aware of the how important our mental health is, so it is a key actually. Awareness is a key in understanding what mental health is and how families can receive the help they need at that time. And I'm telling you guys, the lack of this awareness is our problem as a community. So make yourselves aware of its importance and the people around you, what type of a mental scenario they are going through. Having good and stable mental health is very important for us, and it is more important than just the absence of physical illness. So, a state of overall well being is the best state as mentioned before. So, you have to be fit physically and mentally. Mental well being actually describes our mental state, that is, how we are feeling, how well we are, and how we are coping up with our day to day life. This good mental health actually promotes so much and is a vital utility to us. It helps us in many ways, like it helps to feel relatively confident. It builds up a strong self esteem. It makes us feel and express a range of emotions in a better way. It builds a good and healthy relationship around the people we are having. It promotes productivity, effectiveness in our activities like work, school, caregiving. It also encompasses our psychological, emotional, and social well beings. It highly impacts our ability to think, it contributes strongly in our decision making, and it helps in adapting the changes in our life every now and then. So, well, guys, we have to focus on our mental health along with our physical health too. Because once we are having a bad mental health, I tell you, it is not impossible to get rid of it, but it is very difficult. You will be thrown in the dark dungeon of unhappiness, sadness, and loneliness. So, it is better to have a good mental health and be aware of its importance. Now, what can be the warning signs of mental illness? How can you realize that yes, you are going through a bad mental health? That is, first, if you are having a long lasting sadness or irritability due to some incident in your life, that is a death or an accident of a fellow being, so that can be a sign. Secondly, if you are extremely high and low moods, if at the same time you are feeling you are expressionless and at the same time you are reacting in a very high with a high temperament. Thirdly is excessive fears, worry, anxiety. Fourth is the social withdrawal, that is social boycott. You are not having a charm of meeting people, sitting with people, talking to them. Fifthly is dramatic changes in eating and sleeping habits. Okay, so you must take care. Are you a sufferer of that? Are you having any such warning signs? And last is the short temperament of all of a sudden. Okay, so these mental disorders leads to severe harmful consequences either to us or to the whole community. So we must be well versed of all this and we must take care. Now guys, there are different ways, rather I must say there are a number of ways by which we can help as a community to the people who are having a bad mental health, and how can the people who are having a bad mental health can help themselves to cope out of it, to get rid of a bad mental health and again lead a good and a happy successful life. So that we will be discussing in our upcoming episodes. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.